In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can publish data from your Power BI Garage Hive app to the public, which can be shared with other users without them having to have a separate license. So to do this, on the left-hand side, when you log in, you need to go to Apps. Once you're in Apps, you should have one app installed. This is just a demo environment. I've got 3. Click on the app as you normally would to open your Garage Hive Power BI app. Once you are in the app, at the top of the screen, you should have these 3 dots here called More Options. I want you to click on these 3 dots and select Open Lineage View. This is going to give you a nice view of the data structure within the app. So I'll just go ahead and explain this. In the app, you have a core data set, which is your set of data, which is pulled from your Garage Hive system. From the Lineage view, you can actually refresh the data. So it's an easier way to refresh, and you can see the structure here. So we have the data here. Then we have what's called the overall app. And you see this little button here. Well, this is how you can now refresh the data, force a refresh really easily from this Lineage view screen. What you can also do from here is click the Set More Options and go to Schedule Refresh and actually set your refresh schedule from here as well. But we're not here to do that. So what you can also see from here is that you have the main set of reports, which is the pages that you land on when you open the app, the 50 odd reports or so. But you also have these embed reports. And these are the ones that I recommend that you publish and share with your staff if you want to. So in this particular case, there are 5 additional embed reports on top of the Power BI app. And we're going to go ahead and create a link to share this advisor report so I can actually share this with the staff. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and open the report, and you can do that by clicking on this button here. And now I'm in the embed report, and this is the data that I want to publicly share with the staff. So to do that, once you're in the report, you go to the top of the screen, you go to Share, Embed Report, Publish to Web, Public. What this will do, it's going to confirm, I've already created this link, but if not, it would ask me to confirm that I want to create a link. Now this link, in theory, if you sent it to anybody in the world without any access, they could in theory access just this one report and get access to this data. So what I recommend is that you just keep this link private, set it as a bookmark on your staff's web browser if you want them to see this particular set of data. Once you're at this page, you can define a default page if you want to, but it will just default to the first page. And then very simply, this top link, you just copy this link. I'll close this down. I'm going to open a new web browser, paste the link in, and now I have this report publicly viewable. So I don't need to actually give them access to the app. They just get access to this very limited piece of data. Again, if we just have a look at this again. So let's say I want to share the WIP and bookings report. Open the report, go to Share, Embed Report, Publish to Web. Here's the warning. It's just simply warning me that this will be public. Create embed code and publish. Copy that top link, paste it into the web browser, and now I have a public report. So I hope that helps. It's an easier way of refreshing the data and a very simple way to share some of the embed reports with your staff without having to give them access to the entire app. If you've got any questions, then please let me know. Thank you.